What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to allow apps from unknown sources on your Fire Stick. Now this should also work for any Fire TV device you have. And first things first, what you want to do is to head over to the settings icon over here. Now you want to scroll down until you get to my Fire TV option over here, click on it. And now you want to go ahead and click on the about option. Now at this point, you want to go ahead and click on the name of your Fire TV device over here continuously for 7 times. So whatever that is the name over here, just go ahead and continuously press on it for 7 times. Now this will enable the developer options for us to be able to allow apps from unknown sources. So I'm just going to go ahead and press mine. And you can see obviously that I am already a developer over here. So once you're now a developer in your own TV, you want to go back to the previous option and you should have these developer options over here. Now go ahead and click on it and then come down to install unknown apps. Click on it. And now you're going to see the list of apps on your Fire Stick that you can actually enable this feature for. So I can go ahead and enable it for the IPTV Smartest Pro app over here or turn it off. And then in the downloader app, I can go ahead and turn it off or turn it on over here. But then you don't want to go ahead and turn on this option for every apps on your smart TV so you don't mistakenly install malicious apps into your Fire Stick. So finally, once you've turned on this feature for the app you want to use to install unknown apps into your Fire Stick, you are good to go. So you can go ahead and open up that particular app and you should be able to now install apps from unknown sources in that particular software without any issue. That will be all on how to allow apps from unknown sources on your Fire Stick. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel.